My name is Murli, and my son Anuj Murli just got the certificate here. We are extremely delighted and proud to be here. Before I want to add several things to whatever our colleagues have spoken here, especially Mr. Victor, who has come all the way and who is spreading this all over India. When he said that they have trained 85,000 students so far, it is amazing. And similarly, Mr. Sampath, who is doing a great job in doing this in Andhra Pradesh, is fantastic. But I just want to give, for the parents' sake, I wanted to give a slightly different perspective. I don't know how many of you know about the dream of getting into an IIT. Today, something like 300 to 350,000 people write, and hardly 3,000 people get in. So maybe a 1% chance for the kids. And I have experienced this through with my elder son. And what I have seen is one mark, only one mark makes a difference of sometimes 3,000 ranks to 2,000 ranks. So that's the kind of, so it's not that the 300,000 students who write IIT entrance, they are not intelligent. Everyone is intelligent. But what gives that extra, that one mark, is only thanks to people like Victor and Sampath and all the teachers who are here. They are the people who make that difference to our kids. It, as Mr. Victor said, this improves and increases the ability, the analytical ability of the kids, and the kids are able to perform much better than any other kid. And what's the loss? One Sunday, maybe 1 hour? I don't think that is something very important for any kid. And I have seen my son who went in when he was doing his 4th standard. I have seen many of the kids here who are graduating maybe at 4th or 5th or 6th standard. And we have never seen our son saying, no, I won't go. He was so enthusiastic, so interested. I think today the way in which they have shown this demonstration should open all the parents' eyes. And we should definitely get into this kind of program, which is not taxing, at the same time, which increases the children's capability, especially the analytical ability. So I sincerely thank Mr. Victor for spreading this all over India, Mr. Sampath doing this all over in Andhra Pradesh. And since I said about the IIT story, you go to IIT Madras, or you go to BITS Pilani, go to IIT Kharagpur. It's mini Andhra Pradesh. It is mini Andhra Pradesh. 80% of the students or 70% of the students are from this state. Why? It is only because of some of the best coaching centers, the best academicians, the best teachers in Andhra Pradesh. I'm sure with you people around, you can make still more a significant difference to the students here, to the children here. I'm so happy and thrilled to be here, and I really want to appreciate all the efforts you people are putting in. And maybe, if at all, we have to thank, the first salute goes to Mr. Victor, who is doing it in all India, and Mr. Sampath, who is doing in Andhra Pradesh. But more than anything else, the teachers whom you saw, the passion. Now, I have seen Veena teacher. Sometimes we miss the class. We say we are just delayed. He is late by half an hour. She says, no problem, I am here. So the kind of passion, the kind of commitment, Nandan, always smiling. I think these kind of people make such a wonderful difference in our lives. So thanks to these teachers who have done wonderfully well here. And of course, if I don't praise, it's not, we all go to office. We spend morning to evening. I just got a great opportunity to be here today. But otherwise, who is making all this difference? I think the better half for us, the wives at home, I think the mothers will have to be praised for such a kind of a persistence and making the children to realize that it is important for them. And last but not the least, the students, the children, I think the interest, such a small kids today, the way in which they had demonstrated is unbelievable. It is unbelievable. I don't think, this is the demonstration is the proof. We have nothing else to say. So the kids here who all graduated today are something really whiz kids. They are great. I think we should really praise them. And I would like to sincerely appreciate the kind of service these people have done. And to the parents, only one small request I have. Many of the parents make their children to go into this kind of program, but after 2 levels, after 3 levels, they stop. I think that we should not do. We should go through this program. The children get fantastic skills. So please be assured, all your kids here, all the parents are going to be proud parents that their kids are going to be in IIT or MIT or whichever are the best institutes in the world, and that is only because these kind of people who are promoting. Sir, thank you very much for the great work all of you have done. Thank you very much.